Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to talk to ChatGPT. So let's get started the video. Open the ChatGPT app. To talk to ChatGPT, you can use the voice mode icon in the message bar or the microphone icon to enter your prompt using speech to text. To use the voice icon, tap the headphone shaped icon in the right side of the text box. Now you can speak here like, "Hello, how are you doing today?"
I'm doing great. How about you?
Or you can use the microphone icon in the message bar. Enter your prompt using speech to text. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.